जय श्री माता जी। अगर हमें किसी का हृदय जीतना है तो ये कैसे करना है, उसका बहुत ही सरल तरीका श्री माँ ने हमें बताया है। हम दूसरों के दिल पर कैसे काम कर सकते हैं, कैसे हम उनके हृदय में परिवर्तन ला सकते हैं, इस बारे में हमें इस अमृतवाणी में श्री माता जी ने बताया है। ये अमृतवाणी इंग्लिश में है, लेकिन उसे हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट किया है। वीडियो में आप हिंदी कैप्शंस भी पढ़ सकते हैं। जय श्री माता जी।
As your existence is concerned. And it is such a beautiful center, is your heart center. You want somebody to do something for you twice. You want that somebody should lead or something, you find somebody very obstinate. I have told you that you can beat them with shoes, do all those things, but there's a very simple way if you know how to do it. You see, you just think of their hridaya, their heart, and put a bandhan to that. And you can do it so beautifully. You can melt a person without any difficulties if you know how to handle their heart. You have to appeal to their heart. And that's the best attraction, I tell you. And the best secret method by which you can bring good in them. When you are talking to somebody, supposing I now, intellectually if I start quarreling with you, you will give me up in no time. But I have to use your heart power and I have to enter into your heart. And that is how it works. So always when you want to do something like that, just humble down yourself in your heart. That is first. First of all, you must humble down yourself in your heart. And from there, work on the heart of others. Just put a bandhan and you will see a person will melt away. We melt our intelligence, our ego, everything, even your superego in your heart. So it's a very good thing if you know how to approach people through their heart. And that is only possible if you are genuine. Because genuineness is something that a heart recognizes. You can befool a person with your cunning methods, but the heart will recognize it later on. And the person will hate you. Even if you talk to someone, oh, very much, very good, thank you very much, very nice. And the heart knows, oh, he's trying to befool me and he's very cunning. The heart is going to hate such a person. And heart has the art to see and feel the person. So if you could appeal to somebody's heart and put a bandhan on the heart, you can melt that person. And if you love someone and if you want that person should be corrected, supposing such a person is a drunk or a person who beats you and is torturing you because he's under the spell of some drugs or some sort of a foreign thing, then you just put bandhan to his heart and you'll see there'll be change. They'll be changing very fast. And that's why it's a change of heart. Everywhere you find, in every scripture, it is written, change of heart is needed, not the change of clothes. So it's not intellectual change, but a rational changing, but it is the change of heart. And that is brought about by moving the heart chakra on the right hand side in the clockwise manner. That is the heart itself in the clockwise manner. If you can do that, you can really do marvels. And that's how, on a collective basis, the heart is sort of the innermost string of the collective one string that is passing through all of us. So if you could strike at the innermost, because in a 3.5 circle, that's the innermost point. If you touch there, it passes over this. Supposing you touch somewhere else, then it might break. But at the beginning, if you start striking it, it goes very nicely and passes into complete circumference.
जय श्री माता जी। श्री माता जी, आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कि आपने हमें ये सबसे अच्छा गुप्त तरीका बताया, जिसके द्वारा हम किसी से बात करते समय उनमें अच्छाई ला सकते हैं। हमारी सभी सहयोगियों से विनती है, कृपया इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और सभी के साथ शेयर कीजिए ताकि उनकी भी मदद हो सके। धन्यवाद। जय श्री माता जी।